talk about the environment. When released into the atmosphere, certain gases act like a blanket, preventing heat from escaping. One of the most important heat-trapping gases is carbon dioxide, which is released when we burn fossil fuels like oil, coal, and natural gas. Once released, it stays in the atmosphere for roughly 40 years. Carbon dioxide levels in the air has risen to 412 parts per million and is at its highest in 650,000 years. The planet's average surface temperature has risen about 0.9 degrees Celsius since 1880. The Arctic ice minimum falls 12.8% per decade. Glaciers are retreating almost everywhere around the world, including the Alps, Himalayas, Andes, Rockies, Alaska, and Africa. The Greenland and Antarctic ice sheets have decreased in mass. Data shows we lose 413 gigatons of ice per year. Global sea level rises 3.3 millimeters per year. It rose about 20 centimeters in the last century. This body of data collected over many years reveals the signals of a changing climate. And this is only getting worse and creating big problems. In June and July of 2019, the forest got an increased fire rate, but international attention was drawn to the situation only by August, when NASA found that the smoke from the fires was visible from satellite imagery. But the global warming wasn't the only reason. One of the main reasons it started was because of the deforestation, which increased by 29.5% in the last 12 months. This increase in the percentage of deforestation is the third largest in history and is the highest value since 2008, says the National Institute for Space Research. Scientists say the Amazon has suffered heavy losses in the recent years and quite rapidly, especially since Jair Bolsonaro took over the presidency of the country. About 300 million of tons of plastic are produced annually, and about 50% of plastic that is created is only used once and discarded. 91% of the plastic goes to the ocean, so only 9% of plastic is recycled. With the addition, that much is not biodegradable. Of all the marine litter, 49% are disposable plastics, 27% is plastic waste from fishing equipment, and 18% is non-plastic waste, and the rest 6% is other plastics. 8 million tons of plastic goes to the ocean every year. This is equivalent to 5 plastic trash shopping bags for every 30 centimeters of coastline around the world. By 2050, the amount of trash is going to be more than the number of fish. Without water, there is no life.